Hello everyone, welcome to the my channel. Let's read the episode 20 book name Thinking Straight. यार यही पहन लेते हैं नहीं तो बाल तंग करेंगे मेरे मुझे. चलो की चलो भाई. Do not live with regrets. Growing up, my grandmother was always around. She was a very kind person, maybe too kind because she made many sacrifices in her life. For her, for her parents, brother and sister, husband, and later on her children. That's all a part of life. You can't live lives together and build a strong family giving without giving. But the biggest sacrifice he made was to live in the Netherlands for the last part of her life instead of her home country of Iran. As long as I remember, she always talk about the past, always, and especially during the last few years of her life, she almost cried every day because of regret. Fortune, for fortune, fortunate, पता नहीं क्या है fortunate, opportunity होता है ना उसे sport fortune. Not my mother. Fortunate my mother, father, brother and I visit. या सुन ही लेते हैं, रुको एक मिनट. For क्या था क्या था fortunate में सौभाग्य. अच्छा सौभाग्य. Fortunately, luckily, fortunately, fortunately pronunciation. पता नहीं आएगा नहीं. फॉर्चुनेटली आया ही नहीं अभी तक. देखो कैसे दे रहा है. AI मोड पे जाते हैं. एक चीज देख रहे. फॉर्चुनेटली हमें पता चल गया ना. ऑफ्टन. पता नहीं मैं ऐसे ऑफ्टन पढ़ रही हूँ. पता एक लड़की मेरे साथ खड़ी थी, उसने कुछ और ही बोला. ऑफन 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 ऑफिन 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 ऑफिन. मेरा कौन सा कोई वीडियो देखता है. चल ही जाने दो. यार आज मेरा मुंह बहुत वाइट आ रहा है ना. ऐसे काला ही जाता है. ऑफ इन को कैसे बोलना है. उस टेन को कैसे प्रोनाउंस करना है. कैसे प्रोनाउंस करना है. मुझसे हो नहीं रहा. अच्छा कितनी आज गाने याद आई जा रहे हैं यार. MBA करना बड़ा मुश्किल है तो सूखा. ऑफ इन ऑफ इट 10. रुको ऑफ 10 टी का उच्चारण हल्का. ऑफ 10 often, 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 often. एक तरीका often, often ही बोलते सारे, off in, often, off in, often, off, often, often, off in, often, often. एक लास्ट बार प्रोनाउंसिएशन करा के देख लेते हैं, often, 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 ई का साउंड often, often. चलो अब fortunately, my mother, father, brother, and I visit her often, and cheered her up. But through the laugh, I could see the regret. It was always present. I have learned many lessons from my grandmother, mostly about kindness and the importance of having strong family value. But the most important lesson I have learned was that you do not regret what you did in life. You regret what you do not do. And when my grandmother passed away in January 2050, I decided to live by that lesson no matter what. For example, I always thought I wanted to travel the world and live in different cities. I know it's not an original goal. I speak to a lot of people who love that idea of freedom and exploration. Why is that? I think a lot of it come from pop culture. A lot of people idealize people like jack 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 Curious and Ernest Hemingway, Hemingway, who were famous for their traveling, and young Fox now are inspired by social media personality who travel the world and share it on the Instagram feed. The media might have changed, but the desire to travel to other and share your experience with other has not. However, that lifestyle is not for everyone. But I do not know that before I actually started traveling. How could I? Something in life you must experience to know what they are like in reality. No one can truly feel how it is to be an entrepreneur unless they start doing it. You can read all the business book you want and watch as many video about entrepreneurship as you want, but they will not make you an entrepreneur ever. You will only end up living someone else's life. I did rather eat rice and beans so I can do the thing that I love instead of having a job that make me miserable, put pay well at the end of the day. This is your life, and the only way you can live with yourself is to follow your strong desire. Just make sure you think straight, so you eventually act on those thoughts. Never look back. ये 3 पेज हैं, कल पढ़ेंगे, कल खत्म करेंगे, कल सुबह सुबह पढ़ेंगे. Let's go. No, not let's go. Now bye. Stop. We come back tomorrow and read a Never Look Back. Thank you for giving your precious time to me. Hear my irritating voice. Some words are wrong pronunciation. Some words are wrong pronunciation. I do in a future better way. I learn English. Major, I focus on my problem. What is my problem? I focus that. I doing my exam, but I can't write properly. The mistake one some person say that you read, you understand in Hindi. My teacher say that first you understand when they write, when you write in your textbook. They say that you in class, I say that when I teach you, hurry up to understand you. A lot people understand, but me as a person, the my, as a me, yeah, my, no, sorry, me. I'm not understand what they say that. Say that is it teach well, but in a mistake that my mind did not catch her voice. What they try to teach me, understood, not me, to every class to teach me. This I am the only one. I'm not only, a lot of no, a lot, no, few student who did not, who exactly to exact like me, who do not understand what they teaching us. Second thing I say that the problem I focus in, first I not read properly a paragraph. First thing that if I can't read paragraph, my mind did not catch what to write. They say that you learn in Hindi. There are a lot of girls say to me, read in Hindi when you write in English. How can I read in, how can I imagine if I read in Hindi is good. Hindi I can't, so I can't. Hindi I read easily, I learn quickly. I know that my strength in Hindi is very fast. And but in forget in Hindi, when cut off to fully Hindi, I don't even what the meaning of Hindi in English. How can I return in English? So now I try to focus on the some words to I see on a Google today. They say that now we pronunciation Hindi because we doesn't know meaning of choking. What did they say choking? Choking. Imagine that this are divide into of one sentence into three words like my, plus name plus is kavita, plus kavita. This sentence into three words, and they say that when you listen song and music, listen movie, start to speak with them. When first session I say that you can read, write, and listen to practice. Now we you listen, also try to speak in, also try to, when a person, a lady, and never speak, try with them. You can, you not, I probably did today, when I start a music and I also try to speak with them. I know I can't, now I'm not a good, but good, I'm a very best to read English, but I did mistake also. Now I second thing they said, third, sorry, third, they say that you can first written doing a written practice. First you read, no, first you see, first you read with showing them in your copy. First you know that the give us the, I'm wake up in a, I wake up in a 6 a.m every morning morning. I eat break, sorry, morning I wake up, morning. First first I brush my teeth and brush my teeth and wash my face, and I take, then I take, then I take a short, then I take a short walk in the park to get some fresh air. After that after 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 that I eat a healthy breakfast, eat a healthy breakfast. Then after I learn a few things. Sorry, not this line is perfect matching there. I forget that what I reading today. Oh, sorry, my pronunciation is be wrong because. Thank you. Now is I give you three reason if you can't read in English and not writing properly. I also did. I if I feel the benefit of that, I tell you that what I feel benefit. When I talk with the AI copilot, I feel that I can hear a voice without subtitles. It's I feel the improvement. But right now I'm doing a lot of mistake. I am not. properly write in English. When my madam speak that I saw my best friend's copy, I feel a lot regret because they doing very well because in a they start they on this childhood to be young age this written in English, and I am always read Hindi. I focus on Hindi. I never focus on, I never consider English to be a learn. I saw that we pass it just a 50 24 number in exam, that's it. So that I suffer that a lot. If you have a kid, always main focus to them. Don't speak, don't say that you only learn Hindi. Focus on them. Say that you learn English after you when you young. You feel regret. Yeah, if they said we does when they you see you saw those face when your kid what you do when your sister your brother how to say that I know uh, उन्हें मिलवाओ उनसे जिन बच्चों ने सफ़र किया है कि उनको इंग्लिश की वजह से क्या क्या सफ़र करना पड़ा, कितनी बेइज्जतियाँ सहनी पड़ती हैं कि इंग्लिश नहीं आती है तुम जैसों को। उनसे मिलवाओ 4-5 जनों से, तुम्हारे ही दोस्त होंगे, दिखा देना उन्हें कि कितनी इन्हें सफ़र करना पड़ता है। उनसे मिलवा देना बैठ के, उनकी बेइज्जती मत करो, उनके पास ही बिठवा देना। थैंक यू मेरा वीडियो देखने के लिए। अब मुझे इतनी इंग्लिश आती थी इसीलिए मैंने बोल दी। राम राम।